herself.
Giving puppies milk for the first time. They're 3 weeks old today. It's Friday, February 5th, or 4th, sorry. And it's taken a little bit, but they're starting to pick up the fact that there's something good in there. And they just kind of stick their nuzzles in it and then lick it off for a little bit. That was Olive sticking her head in there. Actually, Serendipity was the one that started drinking first. Here we are. Licking away on their paws and stuff. Can you hand me the flashlight, Isabel?
Yep, sure.
It's hard to see their little eyes and stuff. It's dark.
Don't flash me.
Okay, Kel, let her go for a minute.
She's not.
There's Serendipity. She's licking away.
She's cleaning herself. She learned how to click herself.
Yeah, they're cleaning.
Click. Click herself.
Right. Kel, leave them be, please.
They need to be on. She's wondering. Yeah, can I have you? Oh,
She's chewing on the side of the bowl. There she goes. Good job.
Oh, she's licking the side of the bowl.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. Oh.
Don't like that. She doesn't like that much. We should probably give her some more. They're probably